Just when it seemed like electric cars were taking over, Toyota made a bold move. The company's CEO revealed a brand new engine called the Dynamic Force Engine, and it is already making a significant impact. There were no major shows or early leaks, just a quiet launch with a substantial effect. This engine is not just about power, it is built to be smarter, cleaner, and more durable than anything seen before. Some are now asking if this could change everything we thought about electric cars. Toyota is not just keeping up, it is stepping forward. But is the world ready for what comes next? Toyota has made a significant move by launching its new Dynamic Force engine. This new engine could change how the automotive industry operates. It was designed to improve hybrid cars and address the limitations of traditional engines. Toyota's CEO stated that this engine would strongly compete with others. Following this announcement, companies like Tesla, Ford, and BYD started paying attention. While many car manufacturers are focusing solely on electric cars, Toyota has a different strategy. Their plan considers what people need today and for many years to come. Toyota continues to work on gasoline engines for a simple reason. Electric cars do not work for everyone yet. In places like India, Africa, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, charging stations for electric vehicles are still hard to find. In these regions, electricity is not always reliable, and setting up battery systems is challenging. Therefore, Toyota created what they call a multi-pathway strategy. This means they are producing different kinds of cars, including electric, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and even hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. The Dynamic Force engine is part of this strategy. It offers more power, uses less fuel, and lasts longer than older engines. It is intended for people who cannot yet afford an electric car but still want to save money on fuel and access better engine technology. People have trusted Toyota for many years because their cars are durable and reliable. That is one major reason Toyota continues to work on fuel-based engines. They also believe that with innovation, these engines can be as efficient as electric cars. Toyota's engineers made numerous improvements to airflow, fuel combustion, and heat management in the engine. These enhancements help the engine perform better while being more environmentally friendly. The Dynamic Force engine is built using Toyota's TNGA platform, which helps make cars stronger, more fuel efficient, and easier to manufacture. This platform allows Toyota to use the same parts across many models, saving time and money. The engine can also work with different fuels like ethanol and hydrogen, meaning Toyota will not need to extensively modify their factories if fuel preferences change in the future. This new engine actually comes in three types: a 3-cylinder for small cars, a 4-cylinder for regular cars, and a V6 for larger vehicles. All of these versions can work with hybrid systems. Toyota manufactures these engines in many countries using local parts whenever possible. This makes them less expensive to produce and easier to adapt to different fuel requirements in each country. One of the key features of the Dynamic Force engine is its thermal efficiency, which simply means how well it converts fuel into power. Most traditional engines can only use about 25–30% of the fuel for actual power, with the rest wasted as heat. But Toyota's new engine achieves a thermal efficiency of over 40%. This significant improvement is thanks to longer piston strokes, a smaller bore size, and a higher compression ratio. These structural changes help produce more power and burn fuel more completely. An electric water pump is part of the engine's intelligent cooling system, which helps prevent overheating. Additionally, it features a unique fuel injection system that delivers fuel more effectively and cleanly. The Dynamic Force engine is not just for hybrid vehicles, it also works well in conventional gasoline cars. This is especially important in markets where electric and hybrid cars are not yet common. Its design also makes it ready for future fuels, meaning it will stay useful even as fuel trends change. Toyota calls it a future-ready engine for this very reason. In hybrid cars, this engine runs quietly and only activates when needed. Most of the time, especially in city driving, the electric motor provides power, saving fuel, and reducing emissions. The engine intelligently turns on only when necessary. This combination of fuel and electric power addresses common concerns with electric cars, such as long charging times and high prices. Because of this, many people, especially in regions where electric vehicles are still emerging, may actually prefer a hybrid instead. And in regions where such advanced infrastructure is still developing, the highly efficient dynamic force engine would act as a generator or direct power source, ensuring uninterrupted mobility without range anxiety. This flexibility is key to Toyota's vision, offering a practical bridge to a fully sustainable future while providing tangible benefits today. In conclusion, Toyota's unveiling of the dynamic force engine is far more than just the launch of another internal combustion engine. It is a clear statement of intent. It signals a commitment to inclusive, practical innovation that acknowledges the global energy transition as a gradual evolution rather than an abrupt revolution. While the automotive world debates an all-electric future, Toyota is quietly building a comprehensive toolkit of solutions. By refining the internal combustion engine for unprecedented efficiency and integrating it with the promise of solid-state batteries and hydrogen technology, Toyota is not rejecting an electric future, but instead engineering a more realistic and accessible path to get there for everyone. They also charge much faster, potentially eliminating a major drawback of current electric and hybrid vehicles. By integrating these batteries with hydrogen technology, Toyota could create a hybrid system that offers zero-emission driving when using electric or hydrogen power, while the dynamic force engine ensures reliability and extended range when needed. This super-hybrid approach would provide efficiency, performance, sustainability, and flexibility, potentially setting a new standard for future automotive powertrains. If successful, this innovation could reinforce Toyota's reputation as a leader in hybrid technology and pave the way for more advanced eco-friendly vehicles in the years to come. Still, Toyota's hydrogen-powered engines could carve out a niche among drivers who value rapid refueling and a familiar, traditional driving experience. Toyota's pursuit of hydrogen internal combustion technology represents a bold vision for the future of mobility. By blending the mechanical familiarity of traditional engines with the environmental potential of hydrogen, Toyota has positioned itself as a leader in alternative propulsion. Its collaboration with Yamaha to build high-performance V8 hydrogen engines further signals its intent to cater to enthusiasts, offering power and excitement without environmental guilt. That said, serious obstacles remain. High costs, safety concerns, and a lack of infrastructure will likely slow widespread adoption. Toyota's decision to focus initially on hybrid hydrogen applications is a pragmatic one, allowing the company to refine the technology while addressing emissions and efficiency challenges. Looking forward, as hydrogen production methods improve and infrastructure expands, hydrogen-powered engines may emerge as a credible alternative to both EVs and traditional combustion vehicles. Ultimately, Toyota's hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines embody the company's relentless spirit of innovation and its dedication to sustainable mobility. By harnessing hydrogen's potential, Toyota challenges the dominance of electric vehicles